Good evening, everyone. First of all, my name is Tawseek Ahmed, and I would like to appreciate to organizing this event. Thank you so much. Basically, I have a startup here. I want to become a younger entrepreneur. I'm on my way. So basically, let me introduce a company little bit. I am 25-year-old, but I have 30 years of experience. How? My father have more than 30 years of experience running Horeca industry, providing all the expertise for manufacturing kitchen equipment and consultancy for international brands in Pakistan. So I want to know for this startup for my I'm 25. I want some mentor to that can give me the opportunity to progress in the rocket as so.
Have you already created a company here?
Yeah, we have now established the company here.
Do you have any clients here?
No, to be honest, no. We are really new here. Now this is my first meetup with you. I was on the social media.
No, so your plan was go to Dubai, create a company, then meet Meer. He will give us clients as money as well.
No,
or your plan is something else? Do you have investment to spend?
Of course, we have expertise and experience for more than 30 years now. We are.
Have you allocated any budget to launch here? Have you allocated any money, any funds to launch in Dubai and UAE?
Basically, we are investing our money here. Not so much, but it's startup business. We have budget for startup. It's not millions. It's maybe few thousand, 50,000, not more than that. But
you
really,
have spent that, or you have?
Yeah, we have already spent that.
Yeah, but if let's say if you're coming to me or someone else, just giving an example, if let's say you have this, you provide consultancy services, and you go to someone, okay, we have created the company. Now what we need is we need clients so that we can make some money, and also we need some marketing, we need some influencers so that we can be known in the market.
Yeah.
If they are doing it, then I'm gonna get 90% of your business if I'm gonna do this with you, because then it's my business, it's not your business. You understand my point? So it all depends. If you come to me, okay, this is my company, this is the idea, this is the business, it's doing really well in Pakistan, I want to launch here, but I'm putting 1 million dirhams of my own money, and I have target to become top youngest entrepreneur in the world. Then you have backed up everything with the money as well as experience. So I know you're serious. So because you're putting your own 1 million AED, then I'll say, okay, I'll put 1 million AED as well. And I'll give you my power, my network, my social media following and everything. And then when we make profit, probably will be 50-50. If I have to do all the work, then I'll get the most of the share. If I have to spend most of the money, then I'll get the most of the business. I'm being realistic, and I'm quite straightforward guy. Not trying to be rude here or demotivate anyone. There are two things. One, you need to decide that we want to launch our own projects, and it's not easy. 2 years, forget everything. For 2 years, if you can't work for 24 hours, business is not going to work. And then you need effort, you need hard work, you need money. But then once it becomes successful, you cannot compare a job with a business, because you can very quickly become a multimillionaire. Creating company is not launching a business. Launching a business is something else. You have event like this or much bigger than this. You properly launch your company as well as you market everything. So what I'm trying to do through you, I'm trying to tell other people, like for example, who are in similar shoes, you can speak with us, we can look into the project, but I'm straightforward and blunt guy. No matter how much you like me, I'll guide you properly, but I'll be straightforward. I'll be straightforward. No, this is not going to work, or this is going to work. These are the things you need, so that we can work on even terms as well as be honest with each other. So thank you very much.